Okay, we're here at 1011 Bell Street in Pasadena. Now, we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. We'll have the general inspector crawl underneath the house. We're here to check the main line, and what we're doing is we started off by running our camera from this 2-inch cleanout behind the kitchen. Now, for the first few feet, there was ABS plastic, and now it's gone to a cast iron pipe that's getting a little old, and I did tell the inspector maybe he can have a look to see if it's really rusted or whatever, but we cannot get our big camera through this little clean out over here. We ran the water is running in the kitchen. Obviously the pipe is probably getting a little old. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera out. There's the cast iron pipe. It takes a couple of sharp turns. So we don't want to break our camera, so we're just going to bring this back. This is all ABS plastic over here. And we're going to bring it out. And what we're going to do is we'll go to the other side of the house. A little bit difficult to get to the clean out under the bathroom, but we'll do that anyway. So we'll go ahead. We're just going to pause the recording over here. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're running the camera from a clean out located here, where the bathroom is on the back side of the house, all the way in the back, and we've gone through a little clean out, which brings us all the way out to the city sewer, where that's what you see right now is the city connection right over there in the street. So very typical of Pasadena. When we bring the camera back, it's cast iron pipe all the way out to the city connection. So this is a cast iron pipe that's obviously getting pretty old. You can see it does have some rust buildup, slower, but it still appears to be in, I would say, fair condition. Remember, this inspection is based on my opinion. Now, obviously the pipe is getting old. It does have some rust buildup. I didn't see any roots or breaks or anything like that. So it is a functioning line, but it is getting old. And you can see it does have a little bit of rust buildup in it. And this inspection is based on my opinion. It is functioning. Now, what we'll definitely, at least what you should do, is have a clean out installed, maybe where the pipe exits the house, like a two-way clean out. This way you could be able to clean it upstream and downstream in the event that you do have a blockage, until, of course, come back real slow here. Come back. Okay, so there's something outside there, but that's just going one way. It's buried underneath the concrete. Now, from this point here, it's going to start coming back. Now, like I was saying, obviously you can see there is some rust buildup in it. Probably would be a good idea at least to install a two-way clean out on the outside of the house. This way you can run a cable with a blade through there, maybe descale the pipe until replacement is going to be necessary. So right now it's coming underneath the house. I mean, we'll give you an estimate to replace this all the way to the city sewer, but it is a functioning line. The most important thing to remember is never to flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. Then it comes back to right here it comes back to ABS plastic for the rest of the way. So you see, if you had a two-way clean out outside there, that would be a good thing, because this way you could clean the sewer line in both directions, of course, until replacement is necessary. In my opinion, it's functioning, and you could probably clean it out. And just be very careful what you're flushing down the toilets and stuff. Otherwise, the line is functioning. But you're going to need a proper clean out. So here we come out from the clean out from underneath the house. This is where we are right here in the crawl space. And we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.